Right, we got some rain, thunder, and lightning. I'm asking if there are any spirits out here that would like to leave a word or a message in this recording using the rain and wind as white noise. How many of you are out here right now? Could you tell me your names, please? Does it give you more energy to draw on, to speak and make your voices heard during a thunderstorm? Wow. I see a lot of movement in the house sometimes out of the corner of my eye, sometimes right in front of me. Do some of you sometimes come into the house just to observe things or make your presence known? And if it is you coming into the house, are you just being friendly and curious? Are you somehow angry that we're here? These houses were not always here. This was just woods and forest at one point. Are you angry that we're here, or are you just curious? How long have some of you been here? Are there any spirits out here that are non-human entities? Maybe elementals, angels, as we call them. Are there any spirits that are not of human origin or human souls that live on this property? I was asking about World War III and the escalation in the Middle East and across the world earlier when I was in the backyard. Do any of you have anything you could say about that or add to that conversation? I like it right here on the end of the porch where the rain and the water's hitting on the car and blowing off. That's a great white noise source for spirit voices. So I'm standing in this little corner looking out. Are you all happy when I come out and talk to you at different times? Do these conversations make you happy, or do you find me to be annoying somehow? All right, dear spirit friends, I'm about to end this EVP session. The rain looks like it's letting up. I thank you for all your words and messages, if you left any. It's always greatly appreciated. I'm very honored that you speak to me and see fit to always join me when I do these sessions. So love and light to you all. I greatly appreciate it. And I greatly appreciate all of you watching from home. Looks like the storm is winding down. So I'm going to end this session now and bid you all love and light. I'll see you in the next one.